Bullish news. Cape Cod Stone joins Site 1 Landscape Supply. AMC stock keeps rising, as meme stock resurgence remains intact. YAR Worldwide and YAR Africa announce partnership with Z Zurich Foundation to create bright, boundless futures for African youth. Van Wagner partners with sponsor CX to manage sponsor relationships. Rocket Healthcare to enable innovation in treatment of diabetes foot and osteoarthritis combining AI and 3D bioprinting on Google Cloud. EV startup Fisker explores higher production in 2023, U.S. manufacturing. Heritage Crystal Clean, Inc., Nasdaq, HCCI, Insider upped their holding by 22% earlier this year. ENHERTU. FAM Trastuzumab deruxtecan NXKI. Approved in the U.S. is the first HER2-directed therapy for patients with previously treated HER2 mutant metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. Uranium Energy Corp achieves milestone with filing SK 1300 technical report summary disclosing resources for its South Texas hub and spoke ISR project. Avient signs agreement to divest distribution business to HIG Capital for $950 million. Pfizer announces positive top-line results from Phase 3 study of 20-valent pneumococcal conjugate vaccine in infants. Bullish insiders bet $1.1 million United States dollars on Hasbro, Inc. Nasdaq. Azure Power ties up with Siemens Gamesa for supply of onshore wind turbines. Tesla to build new collision center near Dublin. The independent director of NVR, Inc. NYSE. NVR, Sally Bailey, just bought 33% more shares. Independent director Peter Tuminello just bought a handful of shares in DT Midstream, Inc. NYSE. DTM. Rogers. Shaw sign agreement to sell Freedom Mobile to Quebecor. Apple stock edges higher after report indicates iPhone demand confidence. Exclusive Kazakhstan to start oil sales via Azeri pipeline to bypass Russia. Focus chasing green goals. Corporations push car fleet managers toward EVs. Why shares of Lemonade soared this week. Nikkei hits 7-month high on hopes for smaller U.S. rate hikes. Arhaus shares rise nearly 24% after stronger than expected growth. Wilsonville Energy Storage Company AS reaches revenue milestone, Inc.'s Australia deal. Bearish news. Home buyer competition falls to lowest level since early months of pandemic. What does the future hold for Xenon Pharmaceuticals Inc.? Nasdaq. XENE. These analysts have been cutting their estimates. Leading Chinese companies announce delisting plans from the NYSE. Alibaba leads slide in U.S.-listed China stocks on NYSE exit woes. Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc. Nasdaq. Mara. Just reported and analysts have been cutting their estimates. Update 3-4 Chinese state-owned companies to delist from NYSE. Need to know. The consensus just cut its Chinook Therapeutics, Inc. Nasdaq. KDNY. Estimates for 2022. Rivian keeps 2022 production guidance intact. The stock wobbles. Need to know. Analysts just made a substantial cut to their Loan Depot, Inc. NYSE. LDI. Estimates. PetroChina announced intention to delist the American Depository shares from the NYSE. Apple laptop makers' profit halved after Chinese plant stumbles. Crypto mogul seeks to sell Huobi stake at $3 billion value. Australian court orders Google to pay $43 million for misleading users. Some analysts just cut their Burford Capital Limited (LON) BUR estimates. Disney Plus price increase shows limits of subscriber growth push. Taro Pharmaceuticals Inc. issues voluntary Type 1 recall of Taro zoledronic acid injection. 5 mg, 100 ml. 100 ml vial due to particulate matter over specified requirements. Acquisitions news. Smart Soda announces global launch mergers and acquisitions. Avient to sell its distribution business for $950 million in cash, after competitive sale process. Orla Mining closes acquisition of Gold Standard Ventures. Italian right plans to take Telecom Italia private, halve debt. IMG acquires Scottsdale-based collector car auction company Barrett-Jackson for $261.25 million. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.